Hey journalism, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do your assignment for Thursday. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to build object 1, which is right here, and you'll do that in this space. See that you need to have a donut. You need to have it in the shape of a circle with a concentric circle as the whole. Contrasting icing, unique shapes that represent you on top of it. Think shaped sprinkles. 10 actual sprinkles like the ones I have there, and then 1 sprinkle that has a photo in it. So that should be the challenge. Let's go ahead and start. Okay, using the shape tool, I'm going to select the ellipse, and I'm going to hold down shift, and I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle. Okay, using shift and alt, I'm going to start in the middle of that circle, and that will allow me to draw out from the middle. Okay, now you can't see my shape because I don't have a stroke on. So let me do that again. I'm going to go ahead and draw that. I'm going to release my mouse before I release, and then I'm going to go ahead and add a stroke just so that you can see it. Okay, it doesn't matter what color it is. And then before I do my subtraction, I'm going to go ahead and draw my icing. So I'm using the pencil tool, and I'm just going to draw it around here on the outside like so, and I think that's probably good. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and give that a stroke as well just so we can see it. Now, the reason you can't see the circle below it is because this has a fill. So I'm going to make that fill transparent so I can see the circle beneath it. Okay, so now I'm going to start with my outside shape. I'm going to shift, hold, and hold, and I'm going to press subtract and see what happens. So if I go down to Pathfinder and press subtract, you'll see that it also took out my frosting, so that's not ideal. Okay, so I want to deselect the frosting. So again, let's start again. I'm going to select the donut, and I'm just going to select the shape in between, and we'll see what happens here. I say Object, Pathfinder, Subtract, and I was hoping I could do it in one fell swoop, which I did. Now if I go ahead and fill this back in though, that's likely going to fill in the hole. So I would have to then do it again. So by drawing a circle, starting in the middle, holding shift and option, I can draw out, and then I can subtract that circle from my frosting. So I'm selecting my frosting, selecting the circle, going up to Object, Pathfinder, Subtract. Okay, that's the start of the tutorial.